All right, YouTube. It's Anthony Lyons with AL Designs, part 2 of the 2015 Lexus 250. Part 1 had the overview of the speaker install as well as the battery, fuse holder, all that goodies. This part 2 will be about the subwoofer and the amplifier 5-channel amp install. And then we'll have a part 3 of the final overview of everything. Customer wanted to not use up too much space in the vehicle, so we went with a shallow mount Diamond Audio DMD SH DMD 104SH subwoofer. Mounting depths on these guys are only 3 inches, so won't use up much space. As always, I use the manufacturer's specs to see what the recommended airspace is, do my calculations, and we will make this box as small and narrow as possible for the customer. And so stay tuned for all the goodies of the LED lights that are going in here as well, and have a little surprise for the customer when he gets here. By the way, this is good old Bremerton, Washington, where I reside, and there's Kitsap Lake, and of course it's raining. So let's see what we can do on this rainy day with the Lexus 250. Stay tuned.